Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable subject tracking on your DJI Osmo Action 6. Subject tracking can track mostly people to sort of like move the viewport of the camera to follow those people, which is a cool feature. And in order to enable it, just switch to the mode called subject tracking. Then it will automatically do that once it detects a subject. So I'll just place a camera. I'll just place the camera and maybe let's place it like so. And then I'll turn on recording. I'll start moving around a little bit. And you'll notice later in the recording, as I'll show you that it was following me. So let's go into the playback. And as you can see now, as I move around, it looks like the camera was moving, but it wasn't. So that's a cool feature. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.